Hi friends, this is Pradeep here with another video. So I have my Himalayan here 450. So there is one kind of fuel injector sound which comes when you turn on your engine, right? So basically once your engine is turned on, you will get a buzz sound. It's like B. So that is why, because the fuel injectors get switched on, okay. But with this bike, I'm getting the sound even after switching on the engine. I'm not sure, but when I checked, they said it's absolutely fine. It is just because of the fuel injector, and the fuel injector is switching on, okay. So in case if you guys are also having the same kind of buzzing sound, don't worry, it's just because of the fuel injector, okay. Let me show you on the video how the sound comes. You guys can see, okay. So let's get into the video, okay. So here we are, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch on the bike, okay. I'm going to turn on, see. Okay, once I turn on, there is a small buzzing sound. It is just because of the fuel injector is turned on. Okay, but now I will again turn on the engine. Okay. Okay. Now the engine is turned on, but there is a small noise. Can you guys hear it? There is a small buzzing noise. It is just because the fuel injector is working properly. Okay. Fill the tank petrol fully, and when the tank is full, I'm getting this noise. Or whenever the tank is at the mid level or at the empty level, I'm getting this noise. But yesterday I did not notice this noise, but today the noise is loud and clear. Last time when I filled the tank to the top, the noise was not there. But yesterday when I came, the fuel was almost like going to over, and because of that, I just filled it, topped up the engine only for 500 rupees. Okay, I hope I will again fill the tank fully, or only when you have the off tank, you're getting this noise. Okay, so but now the noise is there. Okay guys, so hope you like this video. It sorted out your issue with the fuel injector or even the noise is coming. I hope you guys like this video. So I'll keep uploading more videos about Himalayan, and even more tour videos on off-road videos are coming soon. So please stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and share it with your friends who's planning to take Himalayan. Follow my channel, just subscribe and stay tuned. If you like it, you like it. If not, give a thumbs down. Always be safe, take care of yourself and your bike, and always remember there is someone waiting in our home. So keep in mind and drive safe. Okay. Thanks guys. We'll catch you in another video. Until then, it's bye from Prateep. We'll meet you in another video. Okay. Bye guys.